Hey champ, what's up? Everything good? Great. Well, you know what? Today I got my pocket money from my mom and she told me that I could buy chocolates with it. So then I went to the shopkeeper and gave him the money, and the shopkeeper started counting chocolates. He was like 1 chocolate, 2 chocolate, 3, 4 and so on. So champ, what are these? These are numbers. Well, we all know that numbers are always related to math. But then, what is maths? Well, mathematics is the science of quantity. Now, quantity always defines how much of anything. For example, counting the coins. Now, if I go to buy chocolates and I have to know how much money I have to count coins. For example, this coin represents rupee 1 coin, and this coin represents rupee 2 coin, and the big one, the fat one, represents a rupee 5 coin, and the biggest, and that is rupees 10 coin. You can easily determine that rupees 5 is a greater number than rupee 1. And let's say to make a sum of rupees 10, you need 2 5 rupee coins, or let's say 10 1 rupee coins. Here, what we are dealing with are small numbers, but at the same time, you should also remember that numbers can go on increasing and become very large numbers. Now champ, look at this number. Isn't this such a long number? Of course it is, because it has 10 digits, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digits. Now let us have a look how numbers can go large. For example, the toffee that you eat is about 2 rupees, and the book that you use can be about 100 rupees, and the expensive dress that you wear can be up to 2000 rupees. Now champ, think of your father's car. It can be up to about 8 lakhs. And then think of your house. It can be about 40 or even 50 lakhs. Now, do you see how numbers are growing large? And isn't it amazing? Well champ, as you know, a number starts with a 1-digit number, and then it can go on increasing up to like 2-digit number, 3-digit number, and the list is endless. And as the number of digits gets increasing, the number keeps on getting large. But champ, did you notice that there are only 10 numbers and all other numbers are formed by those numbers? And those digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now champ, tell me what if there are 2 numbers, let us say 678 and 679089, and we are to determine which number is greater. It is so easy. For determining the greater number, we need to see that the greater number is in most thousands and the smaller number is only in hundreds and tens. Now champ, how do you compare these 2 numbers? 4875 and 3542. You can see that in both these numbers, the digits are in thousands place. But in 4875, the thousands place digit, that is 4, is more than in 3542, which is 3. So 4875 is greater than 3542. Now champ, tell me which of these 2 numbers are greater, 4875 and 4542. You can see that both these numbers are in thousands place and the digit in the thousands place is the same, which is 4, which is same for 4875 and 4542. So then what do we do next? We move to the hundreds place. So we see that in the hundreds place, 8 is greater in 4875 than 5 in 4542. So we can say that 4 in 75 is greater than 4542. Now champ, what if even the hundreds digits are also same? For example, in the number 124235 and 124256. You can see then we move to the tens digits. For example, in the number 124235 and in the number 124256, 5 is greater than 3. So we can say that 124256 is greater than 124235. Now champ, are you ever curious how many numbers can we make? For example, if I have the digits 7, 8, 3 and 5, are you ever curious that how many numbers can we make without even repeating any of these numbers? For example, 7835 is allowed, but 7735 is not allowed. Thus, we can make as many as 4-digit numbers as we want. For example, 7835, 8735, 5378 or 3578, and the list goes on. But then, how do you find out the largest and the smallest number? Confused? It's okay, I'll help you. First, we write the smallest number, that is 3 over here. Then 5 is the next most smallest number. So we write 5 after 3. and then 7 is the next smallest number. So we write 7 after 5, and then finally we write 8. So 3578 is the smallest number that can be made with these 4 digits. Similarly, champ, you can also write the largest number. But first, in this case, you have to write the largest digit, that is 8. Then followed by the second largest digit, that is 7. And then 5. And then after that, the smallest digit, that is 3. So then 8753 is the largest number that can be written with these 4 digits. So now we know how to arrange the digits in order to get the largest and the smallest number. You might have also seen this in your day-to-day lives in some examples. Like for example, you might have noticed this when you stand in the assembly line. So then how do you stand in your assembly line? You stand with increasing height, right? Well, this order is known as ascending order. Ascending order means arrangement from smallest to the greatest. Now for example, recently my friends Sohan and Ria went to buy almiras. But then there were many almiras at the same price range. So which one would they buy? Obviously the cheapest one, right? Now champ, can you arrange the prices of these almiras in decreasing order? So then the costliest almira would be the one with the price of rupees 3975. Then would be the price of the almira with 2854. Then comes rupees 2635, and then comes rupees 1897, and finally comes rupees 1788. So champ, this arrangement of the numbers from the greatest to the smallest is known as descending order. Now champ, do you know that 9 is the greatest single digit number? So then, do you know what is the greatest 2-digit number? Yes champ, it is 99, and similarly the greatest 3-digit number is 999, and it goes so on. What is the smallest 2-digit number? It is 10, and similarly the smallest 3-digit number is 100, and the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now champ, I will make an interesting pattern. Here, have a look. 9 plus 1 is 10, which can also be expressed as 10 into 1. Again, 99 plus 1 is 100, which can also be expressed as 10 into 10. And again, 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000, which can also be expressed as 10 into 100. So we observe that the greatest single digit number plus 1 is the smallest double digit number, and the greatest double digit number plus 1 is the smallest triple digit number, and the greatest triple digit number plus 1 is the smallest 4-digit number. Further, we should expect that when adding 1 to the greatest 4-digit number, we should get the smallest 5-digit number. That is 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10000, which is 10,000. And it can also be expressed as 10,000 is equal to 10 into 1000. Now let us have a look at the position of the digits in the number in units place or ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000s place. Now let us have a look at the expansion of numbers. For example, if I want to expand the number 78, it would look something like this. 78 is equal to 70 plus 8, which is also equal to 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Now let us look at a 3-digit number. For example, let us look at the number 278. It can be expanded as 278 is equal to 200 plus 70 plus 8, which can be also expanded as 100 into 2 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. We say here that 8 is at 1's place, 7 is at 10's place, and 2 is at 100th place. You may also try a 5-digit number. For example, 45278, which can be also expressed as 4 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Here 8 is at 1's place, 7 is at 10's place, 2 is at 100's place, 5 is at 1000's place, and 4 is at 10,000's place. Let us solve some questions here. Here you have some question and you are to expand them. Also champ, check your answers. Now champ, tell me what is the greatest 5-digit number? Yes champ, it is 99999. Now adding 1 should give us the smallest 6-digit number, which is 1 lakh, which is 100,000. This number is named 1 lakh and can be also expressed as 10 into 10,000. Now champ, I have a question for you. Write this 6-digit number in an expanded form, 246853. So that would be 2 into 1 lakh plus 4 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Here we have 3 at 1's place, 5 at 10's place, 8 at hundreds place, 6 at thousands place, 4 at 10,000s place, and 2 at lakhs place. And its number name is 2,46,853. Now if we add 1 to the greatest 6-digit number, we get the smallest 7-digit number. It is called 10 lakhs. Now champ, write down the greatest 6-digit number and the smallest 7-digit number. Now champ, can you write down the greatest 7-digit number and the smallest 8-digit number? The smallest 8-digit number is known as 1 crore. Remember, 100 is equal to 10 tens, and 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds, and 1 lakh is equal to 100 thousands, and 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs. Now champ, try reading this number. How will you read it? First expand it. That is 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Now spell it that way. Therefore, we can spell it as 257. Now champ, spell 734543. First champ, what we'll do is we'll expand it and then put the digits accordingly in this box or the table. And then start naming it. So the number would be 7,34,543. Now champ, I hope you understood everything about numbers. We'll be back soon with our new video. So champ, until then, stay tuned and stay curious. What is maths? Well, mathematics is the science of quantity. Now quantity always defines how much of anything. Did you notice that there are only 10 numbers and all other numbers are formed by those numbers? And those digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. With increasing height, right? Well, this order is known as ascending order. Ascending order means arrangement from smallest to the greatest. This arrangement of the numbers from the greatest to the smallest is known as descending order. Remember, 100 is equal to 10 tens, and 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds, and 1 lakh is equal to 100 thousands, and 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs.